Hi everyone, welcome to my new video, and first of all we're going to be using these two colours of threads, and we're using parts of our stencils for the quilting. And this is the first stencil and we're using the diamond part in the middle. So let's begin. I've already marked my quilt, although it's very pale on this picture, it's in pale blue. But you go around the diamond shape 3 times. Take your time, no hurry. And the reason we do this 3 times is to bed it in and make the thread stand out quite a bit. Then we'll come down the centre of that diamond. And now we're going on to the second one. And again it's marked, and again we'll be doing 3 passes. Down the centre, and again 3 passes on this. And when we get to the bottom, we're going to do a little round circle, and we're going to fill it in. A bit like thread painting, just go round and fill it in. Come back up through the centre to the middle and do a slightly larger one. So round a couple of times and up and down a couple of times. And then up to the centre, and we go to the top where we put the last one in. Then on to the stencil 2, and it's the swirly bit in the middle of this. And again I've already marked it, and we're just going round. It's been marked in chalk this time, so a little bit easier to see the marking. It will disappear. So again we're doing 3 passes. And then the second part of it. Slowly does it. You'll see it starting to take shape. The chalk just wipes off. And then back down to the centre. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe for my next video and ring that little bell so that you get notification of it. I much appreciate it.